Hi guys, what's up? So I am back with another video. It's just a little bit of a life update really. I know I've not really filmed in about a month or two maybe. I'm not too sure how long it has been. So I moved house. I am now back living with my partner. So me and my partner have been together for about 3 years. And the past 10 months we've had to live separately, which we had been living together since the beginning of the relationship. So we've now gotten our own place again, which is obviously great. Sorry, I just had a message pop up on my phone. But that means that I haven't had a laptop to film because I don't own a laptop. It got stolen in when my house got burgled 2 years ago. So I had been using or borrowing a laptop that was not mine, and that has to stay at my mother's place, which means that as much as I could film if I wanted, I had no way to edit and no way to upload. So this week I have borrowed the laptop, I have brought it back to my place, and I'm going to try and film, edit and schedule as many videos as possible. I've been working a little bit of a tight schedule at the minute because although I'm finishing between 4 and 5 p.m, my partner gets home for about 6, half 6, and by that point I obviously want like dinner to be ready, I need to be ready to go to the gym, the dog needs to be walked because obviously it gets dark. So I am on a little bit of a tight schedule. I have also been very, very, very unmotivated. So although I've been missing from YouTube for about 2 months, I've actually only moved house about a month ago, but I've been very unmotivated. It's been cold and I kind of just been taking a time out, doing as I please. I've not been going to the gym as much. I've just been taking a couple of months to just relax and not tire myself out too much. So starting this Monday, I'm hoping to get back into a routine of working, going to the gym Monday and Friday, hopefully uploading and editing or videoing, and then maybe in a week or two use the laptop again and schedule some more videos. I kind of have to wait and see what I can get done and how quickly, because when I edit the videos it then takes forever for the computer to save the edited version of the video. So yeah, so I have been missing. I am sorry. I doubt I was missed by too many people, but nevertheless, I am hoping to get back into it and just see how it goes. So yeah, keep an eye out on my channel and we'll see how many videos I get up.